Bree, the Coupon Queen, and I wanted to give you guys an update on printable coupons from coupons.com, what we have available. It is pretty slim again, so I'm assuming that on the 1st, on Wednesday, we should hopefully, fingers crossed, get a lot more printable coupons. We did get a ton of coupons available from the P&G insert in our apps, Walgreens and CVS. As well, I want to give you guys a very big update from my scenarios and such that I had posted for my must-do Walgreens deals. So, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and dive in. So one place that I get a ton of my coupons is from coupons.com. So I just wanted to share with you guys some different ones that are available to print. This Quaker Chewy granola bars, $1 off when you buy 2, not a bad coupon. Energizer, $1 off 1 pack of Energizer batteries. It shows a 4 count, so I'm sure it would work on a 4 count, especially with all the toys and such that we all got from Christmas. I know we could all use some batteries to stock up on. $1 off 2 on Kellogg's. $5 off 2 on Poise. That's a pretty good high value coupon, so I would definitely click and add that. So what you would do is just click this little plus button. It's going to go up here in my little printer icon, so then I would click that and print it when I'm done. $1 off Fairlife milk is still available. That's the milk that I drink, so I would definitely take advantage of that. It's a more high quality milk than your standard. 50 cents off 5 Yoplait. If you guys do eat yogurt, it is low value, but again, any savings is better than no savings. Ziploc, $1 off 2 if you guys are brand loyal to Ziploc. If not, Walgreens does have their nice brand storage bags. Honestly, I would say they're about the same quality. They're really nice quality. And those are on sale, buy one, get 2 free. So you would get them for just 93 cents, no coupons needed. And keep scrolling here. $1 off any one Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Definitely click and add that one. And that's it. So really, really slim again on the printable coupons. I'm hoping Wednesday they reset for the new year. So now I want to jump into the update for the must-do deals. So what I had posted for you guys had a ton of errors, unfortunately, so I apologize about that, but I wanted to post this first thing so that you guys don't make the mistakes when you go to Walgreens. So sometimes Walgreens has a ton of rules and different tricky, quirky things about couponing that makes it kind of difficult sometimes. First thing is, in my original transaction, I had done the Colgate and the Crest. That would have been fine. You can do that in one transaction to get those register rewards back to roll into the second transaction. However, the second transaction, I had done the Bounty, Charmin, and the Olay. Both of those register rewards would not print because they're both P&G products. So that's just kind of like a weird loophole from Walgreens. So you would have to split those up. Now, Crest is also a P&G product, so you can't have that in the same transaction either. So I put together 2 more quick scenarios for you guys for some transactions to do to be able to get a few register rewards to roll into your next transaction. Another update, I heard the spend $25, get a $5 register reward isn't even working anyways. So what they would do is just give you the points for it. That might be a regional thing. I've been seeing it posted online that it's not working. So just be mindful of that. Treat it as if it is working. Have her scan it. That way they'll at least give you the points back in case that $5 register reward isn't printing. So for transaction number 1, what we're going to do is still pick up the 3 Crest or Oral-B products, $8.97 total. One of the Tide Pods, they are going to be $4.99. Then we're going to pick up a candy bar for 79 cents. And the reason for that is because we need our total to be above $10 after coupons so that we can use 10,000 points to pay it down. So with Walgreens, you can use points to pay down taxes. So that's why I included the tax here for you guys. In my region, it's 7%. Make sure you adjust your math accordingly wherever you guys are. So the total for those items is $14.71, including the tax is $15.74. We have a $2 digital for the Tide. You can get the Tide Pods or the Tide Liquid. They're both going to be the same price and work out the same way. Then we're going to use $3 off coupons for the Crest and Oral-B products. So the total for coupons is $5. So there we're going to be left with $10.74 out of pocket. We're going to use 10,000 points if you guys have them. 10,000 points, then we're only going to pay 74 cents out of pocket, which is awesome for these 5 items. We're going to get back that $5 register reward from the Crest and Oral-B. So the new scenario for the spend at 25, get a $5 register reward. Still going to do the Olay, 2 Olay body wash for $12. We're going to do the Colgate, because Colgate is not a P&G product, so you can do that. 2 Dixie plates for $3.99, and then 2 of the Halls for $5. Total comes to $26.96. We're going to use $2 off coupons from the P&G inserts for the Olay. 2 75-cent coupons for the Colgate from Colgate.com. They also have, for the Olay, they also have digital coupons. So they have a digital coupon $2 off 2, and they have a digital coupon $1 off 1 Olay bar 4 count or higher. So you guys can clip that if you want, and then you don't have to worry about the P&G inserts for the Olay. For the Dixie plates, there's a $1 off 2 digital, and for the Halls, there's also a $1 off 2 digital. So the total for all that is $26.96. Coupons is going to be $5.50. Now, if you have some previous register rewards that you guys want to use, you can use up to 2. So the reason is, see if I can go back. Okay, both Olay have a coupon attaching, right? $1 off each. The Colgate both have a coupon. The Dixie plates, however, has 1 coupon for the both of them. So therefore, there's still 1 item that does not have a coupon attached to it. Same with the Halls. It's a $1 off 2 coupon. So that's going to attach to one of the bags. The other bag is in essence going to be available for a register reward to attach to. So you can use up to 2. The first transaction we did get a $5 register reward from the Crest. So we're going to go ahead and use that towards this. We would pay $16.46 plus taxes out of pocket. It is a little high. I'm going to see if I can find an even better scenario when I do my haul, so stay tuned for that. I will do my haul on Mondays for Walgreens. You'd get back the $5 register reward for the spend deal, $5 register reward for the Olay, $4 register reward for the Colgate. Then for the Halls, checkout 51 has $1 back, so you would get $1 back on that. That's $15 back in cash in rewards. So your final cost is going to be just $1.46 plus taxes for 8 items. And remember, 2 of those items were the Olay body wash, which are very expensive. So it still works out to be a really good deal and a really good value. I just wanted to post this for you guys as soon as possible. I know a lot of you guys were saying that you were going to do the scenarios that I posted, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't lead you in the wrong direction. So check your Walgreens app. Make sure you're adding and clicking those coupons, the digital coupons, and clipping them to your account. That way when you check out, you guys are all set. Make sure, too, that you guys pick up the new savings booklet. It's going to be in the front of the store. You can also see what is going to be in the savings booklet in your Walgreens app. So when you're scrolling through, anything that says, you know, this much off with card, that means it's going to be part of that savings booklet. So like Angel Soft, there's a 50 cents off with card. That's going to be part of that Walgreens savings booklet. So the deals that we're doing today, nothing is going to be in the Walgreens booklet that you'll have to clip. But you guys can always go through and just look through what's going to be available. And again, it is in the front of the store, right next to the Walgreens ad. Make sure you guys pick up a Walgreens ad when you go shopping and do your haul so that the cashier can scan that spend 25, get a $5 register reward coupon for you guys. So that is all that I have for right now. I'm going to be heading to CVS today to do my CVS haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.